If you think of us human beings as like walking electric lines, right? So we're electrical. And so what happens when you have diseases, illnesses, or pain, it's usually there's a blockage in that electric line. So I'm sort of like a body electrician, where I'm trying to find where is this blockage, and you know, we want to try to unblock it to allow the nervous system to properly function. Because when the nerves are blocked, then they all innervate certain organs, and that in turn was what causes a lot of diseases, illnesses, and there's a whole slew of problems that occur. So we need to, number one, have to focus on the bioelectrical system in addition to the biochemical. Sort of like, I tried to relate it a little bit in the book to like a battery, like our cell phones, for instance, right? We have a battery that has, you know, the electrons that flow in it, and the battery a lot of times can run low, so then we got to charge the battery. Plug it in, charge it, and that allows the electrons to get into the battery. So we're, in essence, that's sort of like how we are, and we, with time, as you know, our batteries sort of get low, and we need to recharge our battery, and by doing simple things as walking, just simple walking, it produces pressure on the bones of our feet, and it produces electrons, and the electrons, the bones like the conductor, it's sort of like the battery, and the electrons flow into the battery, and it stores in that battery. So we want to try to fill that bone with a bunch of electrons so we can get that battery full, and then we just feel better. And then that's why at nighttime when we rest and we go to sleep, and the electrons from the bone, they flow into the cells, and they sort of charge our cells at night, and that's why it's important for us to get good rest and also for us to be active.